Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view your order history on Burger King online. Open the website bk.com, then click Sign Up. Then you will see a section for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now enter your email address. After entering, click the Sign In button. Once you're signed in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of this page. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On this page, you will see an option for recent orders. Click on Recent Orders. Now you will see the list of your previous orders. That's how you view your Burger King order history online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.